வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, நான் உங்கள் ராஜேந்திரன் பேசுகிறேன். நேஷ்னல் டெஸ்டிங் ஏஜென்சி பப்ளிக் நோட்டீஸ் 3 ஜனவரி 2026 இன்வைட்டிங் ஆன்லைன் அப்ளிகேஷன் ஃபார்ம் ஃபார் த காமன் யூனிவர்சிட்டி என்ட்ரன்ஸ் டெஸ்ட் CUET UG 2026 admission to undergraduate programs into central universities, participating universities, state deemed private. Regarding the National Testing Agency will be conducting the Common University Entrance Test CUET UG 2026 in the month of May 2026 in 13 mediums across India and abroad for admission into the undergraduate programs for all the central universities and participating universities. The CUET UG provides a single window opportunity to students seeking admission in any of the central universities, participating universities, state deemed private across the country. 2. CUET UG 2026 will be conducted in the computer-based test CBT mode for the academic season 2026-27 as per the details given below. Online submission of application form 3 to 30 ஜனவரி 2026 up to 11:50 p.m. Last date of successful transaction of fee through credit debit card net banking UPI 31st January 2026 up to 11:50 p.m. Correction in particulars in online application form 2 to 4 February 2026 up to 11:50 p.m. Announcement of the city of examination to be announced later on the website. Download admit cards from the NTA website to announced later on the website. Date of examination between 11 to 31 May 2027 tentative. Display of recorded response and answer keys to be announced later on the website. Website https://cet.nta.nic.in/ Declaration of result on the NTA website to be announced later on the website. The details of the programs offered by Central University, participating universities, state deemed private are available on the respective website as well as on NTA website https://cet.nic.in/universities/candidates must carefully refer to the eligibility requirements of the programs offered of various central universities, participating universities. In this regard, the list of participating universities is dynamic. Candidates are advised to visit NTA website https://cet.nta.nic.in universities for the latest updates regarding the examinations and eligibility criteria of participating universities. 4. For the scheme of examination, eligibility and other relevant information, candidates are requested to check information bulletin of CUET UG 2026 available on NTA website https://cet.nta.nit.in/. Important instructions. Candidates can apply for CUET UG 2026 through the online mode only on the website https://cet.nta.nic.in. The application form in any other mode will not be accepted. Only one application is to be submitted by a candidate Under no circumstances, candidates will be allowed to fill more than one application form. Candidates must strictly follow the instructions given in the information bulletin and on the website https://cet.nta.nic.in. Candidates not complying with instructions shall be summarily disqualified. Candidates must ensure that the email address and mobile number provided in the online application form are their own or parents' guardians only, as all information communication will be sent by NTA through email on the registered email address or SMS on the registered mobile number only. In case any candidate faces difficulty in applying for CUET UG 2026, he/she may contact 011 407 5900 or email cuet.ug@nta.ac.in. The candidates are also advised to regularly visit the NTA website https://nta.ac. and https://cuet.nta.nic.in for the latest updates regarding the exam. நண்பர்களே, தேர்வு பற்றிய அனைத்து விவரங்களையும் கொடுக்கப்பட்டுள்ள இணையதளத்தில் முழுமையாக தெரிந்து கொண்டு தேர்விற்கு விண்ணப்பிக்கவும், தகுதியுடைய மாணவர்கள் வாய்ப்பை பயன்படுத்திக் கொள்ளவும். வணக்கத்துடன் உங்கள் ராஜேந்திரன்.